Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you OpenCode Unlimited Free Access on Mac. I have already installed Node.js. I will show you the Node version. Go to Spotlight. Type terminal here. Press enter. Type Node-v. Press enter. Node version is 24.15.0. Type npm-v. Press enter. Now see the npm version 11.12.1. Now I am going to install OpenCode. Go to web browser. Type here opencode.ai. Press enter. Now OpenCode official website is open. Click on npm. Copy this command. Go to terminal. Type sudo. Paste the copied command here. Press enter. Type Mac admin password, then press enter. Now OpenCode installed on Mac. You can see the npm upgrade version are available. But right now I did not upgrade npm version. Type clear. Press enter. Type OpenCode. Press enter. OpenCode AI is open. /connect. Press enter. Connector provider. OpenCode Zen recommended. Press enter. Its required API key. Go to web browser. Click Zen. Click on Get Started with Zen. Click Continue with Google. Now we have successfully logged in with Google. Click on API keys. Click Create API key. Type key name here. Free. OpenCode. API. Click Create. Now key is created. Copy this key. Go to terminal. Paste the key here. Press enter. Now you can see here 5 free AI model. Big Pickle. DeepSeek version 4. Minimax M 2.5. Nemotron 3. Ring 2.6. I will choose Minimax M 2.5. Press enter. As you can see, build Minimax M 2.5. Type hi, hit enter. It's showing. Hi, how can I help you today? I will give command. Create a template for missing dog. And save it to Mac desktop. File name should be missing_dog.txt. Hit enter. Now here it's come to output. missing_dog.txt. Save it on desktop, you can see. Close terminal. Click terminate. Close web browser. Open missing dog file. This template is created by OpenCode AI. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how OpenCode Unlimited Free Access on Mac and how it works. So viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.